Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about a DAW, what that is, some examples, and some cool things you can do with them. A DAW is a digital audio workstation, and it's a type of software that is used to edit, record, and produce audio. And you can use this software to create beats or songs. Some examples are Pro Tools, Logic Pro, Ableton Live, GarageBand, FL Studio, BandLab, and Soundtrap. So some cool things you can do in a DAW, or some people call it a DAW, is that you can set the BPM of your song, set the key, and in some of them you can even type in lyrics. You can also use virtual instruments and plugins to change the sound of your song. Some DAWs also have a metronome that you can use. You can also use the virtual instruments to create a drum beat, and you can also use instruments like a virtual piano, and you can even plug in a MIDI keyboard into your computer and use it that way. So let me know in the comments, do you have a favorite DAW? Or what do you like most about your favorite DAW? Thank you for watching.